Hi everyone. These tiny components might look simple, but it's engineered to create constant pressure, resist vibration, and keep hoses sealed under extreme conditions. In this tutorial, you will quickly understand how double wire spring clamp works, then jump straight into designing it step by step in SolidWorks. Let's get started. So, a double wire spring clamp works using elastic deformation. When the ears are squeezed, the clamp expands. Spring steel stores energy. When released, the steel tries to return on its original shape, creating continuous clamping force around the hose. The double wire design helps distribute pressure evenly and improves stability. Now that we understand the basic principles, let's design it in SolidWorks. So to create this part, we went through a couple of steps. So first of all, we've created the circle, means we took the part and we tried to simplify it and create a sketch that looks like this. And then right after that, we went to the right side and we tried to create a sketch that looks like this. And then of course we converted those into surfaces, and then we created intersection curves, and then of course we transferred those into 3D sketch, and then we trimmed them, and of course we swept them. So that's basically how our tutorial will be. Without further ado, let's jump into designing it. So to create this part, go to new, click on part, and then click on OK. Before starting, make sure that your units are set up correctly. In our case, millimeter, gram, and segment. So go to front plane, and let's start sketching or creating the very first profile. So create a circle, and then create a line, click, and then create an arc. So once this is done, let's go and create some construction lines to make our life easy, as we usually do. Make this one line with this one. So now that we are done, let's go ahead and add some dimensions. So this one is 40, this one should be 10, this arc here should be 6, let's add a tangent here, and of course let's add an angle here, 37.5 degrees. So now that we are done, let's go ahead and mirror the entities. We want to mirror these two guys. Click here and then click on OK. There we have our mirror and our sketch is fully defined. So skip sketch. So now that we are done, let's extrude the surface. Click on this circle and let's go to contours. Click on this one, click on this one. Let's go to middle plane and let's make it 20. That's good. Click on OK and you're done. Now let's go to right plane. As we explained previously, we'll try to make a shape similar to the wire if we look at it from the side, of course. Let's go to sketch and let's start sketching. Let's make our sketch fully defined. To do that, we would need to make this guy symmetric. Very good. So now that we are done with that, skip sketch and let's go again to feature. Let's go to surface, extrude surface. Click on sketch, make it 50 millimeters. Let's go to mid plane. Very good. Make sure that it's covering your whole other surface that you have created. Now that we are done with that, Let's go to sketch and let's go to convert entities. Click on convert entities, of course intersecting entities, and we will make sure that we're selecting all the entities that we have, just so we can have a nice sketch at the end. Very good. Well done. And now we have our sketch. So let's go ahead and hide these two. Hide the first one, hide the second surface. So we are left with our 3D sketch. Now let's start trimming our 3D sketch. Go to trim entities and start trimming. Just make sure that you're not trimming the sketches we would need to create our spring. Just go step by step. Very well. Now let's remove this one and this one, and of course let's remove this one and this one as well. And now we have a nice shape for our spring. Click on OK, and of course we would need to convert those into splines. So to do that, there are many ways, of course. The way that we'll be using today is the spline tool. Spline, close spline, delete geometries, and of course we'll select all of those. Very well. Click on OK, and here we have our spline created. Now let's go to feature. Let's go to sweep boss. Let's select this one, make it circular, and let's make it a 4 millimeters. Very well. Click on OK, and there we have our spring. Nice and neat. Now let's make white background. Let's add the final touches. Let's add here a fillet of 0.5. Very well. Click on OK, and there we have it. You can of course add material if you are interested in it. And voila, we are done with our tutorial. Hope you like it, and see you in the next one.